This is why you should choose JCB Tools. When it comes to power, durability, and innovation, JCB is a globally renowned brand. We specialize in designing and manufacturing tools and equipment made for hard work. Our high-performance range covers every aspect of professional and DIY projects. Whether you're drilling, driving, grinding, hammering, or cutting, JCB Tools has you covered. Our impressive lineup includes routers, drills, impact drivers, grinders, hammers and breakers, saws, multi-tools, sanders, rotary and demolition tools, and hand tools. For tough cleaning tasks, JCB offers reliable and efficient pressure washers. Whether petrol or electric, we have the perfect solution for your needs. For dependable power, look no further than JCB's petrol generators. Robust and high performance, these generators keep you powering through any task. And to complement our gear, we offer a wide selection of accessories. Our E-Tech batteries deliver compact, high-capacity power with long run times and built-in durability. Plus, with the industry's only fully inclusive 3-year replacement warranty, you can trust JCB Tools to go the distance. Accessories include batteries and chargers, drill bits, router accessories, and storage solutions. JCB isn't just about tough tools, we're about advanced technology too. With brushless motors, the JCB Diamond Tech range, the L-Box system, and reusable mesh sanding sheets, you know you're investing in quality. JCB Tools are designed to deliver and made for hard work.